Hey guys, quick ZORA Airdrop update. The ZORA protocol just posted on their official Twitter account that you are able to mint their NFT for one last day. You basically have around 10 hours to mint this ZARP NFT that ZORA protocol posted themselves on Twitter. And this NFT costs around $2, which is basically free. And I think this NFT could give you a bigger allocation for the ZORA Airdrop because ZORA posted this NFT drop themselves on their official Twitter account. And I want to remind the people that ZORA protocol raised $60 million and the ZORA is valued at around $600 million, so I think the airdrop will be quite huge. I have the official invite link in the description below this YouTube video, so check it out. And my advice to get a bigger airdrop allocation is to interact with the ZORA protocol, mint some NFTs, create your own NFTs on the ZORA chain. And if you don't want to miss valuable alpha like this one, which is time limited, I recommend you to subscribe to my channel and press that bell notification so every time I upload a new airdrop video or new crypto alpha or time limited opportunities like these ones, you get the notification instantly and you don't miss out on big crypto gains. So check the ZORA NFT, the official link is down in the description. Subscribe, press that bell notification, and thanks for watching.